أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. Dear audience, Honorable President, respected judge, Honorable Director, Honorable Chairman, and other guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First, I thank of all you for attending today's competitive English speaking program. As you know, my subject importance of Hajj. But unfortunately, it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to discuss my subject, inshallah. Dear brothers, we are Muslims and our religion is Islam. We are the ummah of our last Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ummah means is a nation we should follow or obey him because Allah said about this. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر أو أنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. How mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed Allah is knowing and acquainted. So dear brothers, the Hajj is a pillar of Islam, required of all Muslims. Once in a lifetime, it is a physically demanding journey that Muslim offers a chance to wipe clean past sins and start anew before Allah. Pilgrims seek to defend their faith on the Hajj, with some women adopting the head covering as the hijab. During Hajj, every Muslim pilgrim is considered as a guest of Allah. From the hadith, عن أبي عمر رضي الله تعالى عنهما قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بني الإسلام على خمس شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمد رسول الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان. Narrated Ibn Umar. Allah's Messenger said, Islam is based on 5 principles. Number 1, to decide that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is messenger. Number 2, to offer the time prayers dutifully and perfectly. Number 3, to pay zakat. Number 4, to perform Hajj. Number 5, to observe fast during the month Ramadan. Sahih al-Bukhari 18. So dear brothers, from the hadith عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه قال سئل النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أي الأعمال أفضل؟ قال إيمان بالله ورسوله. قيل ثم ماذا؟ قال جهاد في سبيل الله. قيل ثم ماذا؟ قال حج مبرور. So dear brothers, to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, which is the best deed? He said, to believe in Allah his messenger. He was then asked, which is the next? He said, to participate in jihad in Allah's cause. He was then asked, which is the next? He said, to perform Hajj Mabrur. So dear brothers, come to learn for the Muslim Ummah the importance of Hajj. Is very significant event of Islam. So we should obey the holy water. Allah call it Hajj. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.